It's your boy Wes back on the vlogs. Yeah guys, today we're going to a BMW meet. Woo! But yeah guys, we're gonna meet Danny and Deez Nutz about like an hour and a half at BMW Concord. And I wanted to just get the car washed real quick and stuff. So yeah guys, we're gonna go get the car washed right now and get this day started. So let's go guys. Alright guys, just like that, we're out of here. We are currently at the wash guys, at the laser wash in San Bruno. We got the M4 today. So it's actually a pretty rare sight for you guys to see me drive my M4. And today I'm driving it. Woo! Here we go. Start the wash now. And then we're gonna fill up some gas and head over to Concord. Let's get it guys. Washed up and gassed up. We on the way. Wow guys, check it out. 7:40 a.m. in the morning. Oh God, it's so bright. Alright guys, finally Danny's here. We got an F80, F82 on TEs. We got our stock M4 over here, stock life, no turn signal life, you know? Wow guys, check it out. Vossen gang. What do you guys think? Carbon life or what? Got our little boba over here. Oh yeah, baby. Deez Nutz! Oh guys, M2 competition. Oh, 335. Oh, X3M everywhere. Damn, I missed my 335. RIP. The weather took it. So 435. Some Vorsteiners. I heard these X3Ms are actually pretty fast, guys. Has the new S58 motor. Oh yeah, downpipe for sure. M2 competition has the S55 motor. We're gonna head out in a little bit, guys. Just rallying up here at BMW Concord. All right, boys and girls, we are out of here. We're gonna go over to the meetup spot. Let's go, guys. We got Deez Nutz behind us. Danny P up in the front. Oh! But yeah, we got the whole M squad here. Wow, so many M cars. Wow. Woo! You guys ever been in M car heaven? This is it, guys. I guess this is M car heaven over here. Gonna find some parking now. So our F80 right now is actually an SV Beamer. The black F80M, dude, that shoots hella fire. This guy's fixing it.
I have to be like this. I told him West Law.
Oh yeah, baby.
I mean, you already in. You can, yeah, you're already in. Shitty law. If you want me to, hey, yeah, no.
Alright guys, we got Deez Nutz. VF2 600 LT P1 carbon hood. We got 488 over here. We got Super Trofeo. Oh yeah. So we just picked up Deez Nutz camera gear and Danny's GoPros. So on the way to the warehouse now, guys. So we actually had Bay Lambo, I think, for, yeah, he brought his 720. I think he wants to do a pool against D with Deez Nutz for downpipe and stage 2 tune by VF. So that should be pretty interesting, guys. we're on the way right now to meet them up at the warehouse. So see you guys there. In the warehouse. Danny's 458. Gangsta.
Oh, juice.
Rolls Royce. These nuts.
Last time?
Oh yeah, these
They
nuts.
drank 2 bottles of Blue Label and I drank a whole bottle of Hennessy. And then we went like, you know, chill after. Bro.
Really?
This guy right here, Mr.
Just do
Vlogs.
it.
I can even.
We're in Danny's 458, guys. On the way to Santana. See you guys there. GT3 boys. GTR. Deez Nutz 600 LT.
Bro, I think he went to get bro. Hey, where's Jaime? Where's Jaime? Oh, he went to get the other car. He went to get the
Santana Road. Oh, GTR's everywhere. What's up?
Where are you guys going? The Zuma?
I have no
Don't do it. Don't do it, bro. Bro, that freaking... It looks like a McLaren hood right there, bro. Bro, what the... Whoa, guys. Oh my god. Everyone's so loud today. You're good, you're good. You're good, you're good, you're good.
Rated PG, bro. Rated purple.
For Deez Nutz.
Let's vlog back with another.
Alright guys, here in Santana Row, just broke everyone's necks, you know. You know Jaime, gotta flex. Whoa, buddies. Buddies. By the way guys, I got some big plans coming for the channel, so stay tuned and find out. Just like that guys, this vlog is over. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. It's been West Vlogs. Peace out guys.